One of the most powerful tools to protect your internet is MAC address filtering. Today, we're diving into the admin panel of the Archer AXE75 Wi-Fi 6 router to set up a MAC access list, giving you ultimate control over which devices can and cannot join your network. Let's get started. Step 1. Router connection. First, power on router, and now connect LAN cable from router LAN port that in yellow color, or use Wi-Fi to confirm laptop or mobile using default SSID and password printed on the router backside sticker. Step 2. Access router settings. Now open any web browser and access TP-Link default IP address 192.168.0.1 or TP-Link Wi-Fi.net to access router settings. You will get router login page. Use default login password admin or create new login password if first time setup. After login, router network map will open. Step 3. Enable MAC access list. Now go to Advanced tab, then go to Security from left side menu. Under Security, go to Access Control. First, you'll likely see a main switch to enable MAC filtering. Turn that on. Now you'll see a critical choice between two filtering modes. Deny mode. This is a blacklist. Devices on the list will be blocked, but all others can connect. This is good for temporarily blocking. Specific device allow mode. This is a white list. Only the MAC addresses you add to the list will be allowed to connect. Now select filtering mode blacklist and press add button to block mobile or PC or laptop you want block accessing internet. Press scan button to block someone already connected to your internet. Or you can add device MAC address manually. Give a name to device, a simple description to help you remember what device it is, and press OK button, and that user will block. Unblock device from blacklist. If you want unblock any mobile, laptop, or PC from blacklist, simply delete MAC address from a list, and that device will be unblocked. That's it. You have successfully enabled blacklist to block user using MAC access list in TP-Link Archer AX75. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching.